Okay, I've got another quick update. I've been doing a little bit of this and that, getting systems in place, doing some refactoring, but one thing that I have that's actually done is I'm calling it the flechette round, which is basically a flat disk that rotates at a configurable speed. It has a configurable projectile payload of its own, as well as its own fire rate, a number of rounds to fire per tick, which get divided evenly among a angle spread distance that you define anywhere between 0 and 360 degrees of the forward vector of the disk, as well as a minimum vertical velocity threshold, which I have it set to 500 centimeters per second right now. If it's sort of like that movie Speed. If it goes below 60 miles per hour, the bus explodes. Same deal. So if I fire this straight up, once it slows down enough, it fires its payload until it's exhausted, and that's the disk bouncing, and then it despawns. So the lower that I fire it, the sooner that it will trigger, because it's based purely on the vertical velocity. And right now I'm using the needler rounds. I kind of like it, but I also kind of want to do something a little less graphics intensive because I want it to be sort of like Ninja Poison Senbon type thing, which I think is pretty cool. But again, this is all focused on modularity and flexibility. So if I go into this flechette projectile, I go to the flechette configurations, I change what I want it to fire. I can change it to the default first-person projectiles. Ta-da! Now I get a flechette of bouncy tennis balls. And you can see here's all the configurable parameters: the ammo capacity, rounds per tick, fire rate, rotation speed, the sub-projectile velocity, so pretty self-explanatory how fast the sub-projectiles come out of it. The angle spread, that's based off of the forward vector. So if you did like a 45 degree, it'll be a 45-degree angle where this is the forward vector. And as that's rotating, it's sort of like a window. So I could change this to say like 45, and you could see that when I fire this, you'll see a face of sorts. See? So it's all based on, whatever effect you're going for. I like the 360, but it's, whole idea is customizability. But that's pretty much where it is. Thanks for watching.